before I brief you about the cleanup, I hope I'm not putting you guys on the spot, but we would like to thank the amazing Angie, Mead, King, of course, for being here and cleaning. All your friends, of course, Joey, Mead, please, here. Thank you so much for being here. And they started coming here last 2 weeks, 2 cleanups ago. Angie has brought so much inspiration. I'm sure napanood niyo yung mga video niya online. I'm sure nakita niyo na ang mga nangyari dito na kung bakit siya sumusuporta sa atin. And she has brought so much support, so much inspiration, and so much passion na kahit ako, biglang na-reignite din ang passion ko for this because I feel like, oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. We have 4 people helping us in partnership and we're grateful. Last week, they even donated special sifters na pwedeng panglinis ng microplastics. So we're going to see that over there on the beach earlier. We're going to weigh everything, collect the data. And now as we begin the briefing, first thing we want to say is, be safe.
Good morning everyone, we are back here in LPPCHEA and it's another coastal cleanup weekend. This week I brought some friends over. We have Yassi Pressman and Joey. And then I have a few more friends over there. Nat, Butch, and James decided to join us today. And it's gonna be a crazy week because we have a lot of volunteers. Body Shop is here, Planet Cora is here. There's some DNR, DPWH people, and GMA7 is here to cover us. So we're now done with the briefing. We're gonna head over to the coastal line and start doing the cleanup again. Look how thick this plastic is. Oh my god, that's so crazy. We're almost done filling up the sack and it's pretty heavy now, halfway full, although there's a lot of sand in between the plastic that we've been collecting. It's just grabe. You know, we've been standing here for almost 1 hour and no change pa rin. They're so thick. I think pag hinukay natin to, mas madaming plastic na natin. How are you feeling?
Depressed. On antidepressants, intense, but yeah, bit sad, bit ashamed. The greatest way to be grateful is to look into your higher self. Like we're grateful for things like food and for shelter and family and friends, but doing something which is difficult, overcoming obstacles and looking at that gratefully. This is one of those occasions.
Well, you can also look at it like you're helping all the marine life here. You're helping all the seabirds. Trying.
It eases my mind when I do groceries and see all of the crap that we are, us city dwellers, are left with, like forced to buy if we want to eat that, have that, it's such a box, it's plastic.
Actually, you're right. I would say 90% of the garbage here is food related.
So it makes you more conscious of buying bulk, or makes you more aware of what you're purchasing, what we are consuming.
Sachet life.
I'm sitting on a mountain of sachets right now. But also, this morning I said, okay, what another thing I'm grateful for is all of these people coming in and volunteering for food.
Yes. So we've been here for an hour and a half, and still we've made a small dent, but still the garbage is deep, thick under everything. Sana po sa lahat ng nanonood na sumabay kayo sa volunteer program ng Planet Cora. You can log on sa Planet Cora Facebook page and look for the schedules for the next cleanup. Tapos sana matulungan din tayo ng gobyerno, korporasyon at individual kasi lahat to problema natin, hindi lang problema ng isang tao, problema ng buong bansa. So please help out and make a difference. Kailangan ngayon na, hindi pwedeng bukas.
Hello. Woo! Woo!
More, we need more.
Laban! More people.
More people.
I want to thank Yassi for showing up.
Yes.
What do you think of your first ocean cleanup here?
It's very eye-opening. It's an experience na we all know about. We all know that, you know, the world's changing, not always for the better, pero seeing it in person really changes the way that you
It's different.
think
diba?
about the way you should handle every day na.
And you know, we were just talking about it, like 90% of the garbage we're picking up is food industry related. And we were just made sense. It's like, oh shit, like that's everyone's lives.
Correct. And tsaka it's something that we can't really take away completely, pero parang we should take steps towards using the things that we can, take steps in recycling everything that has to be plastic, alam mo yun.
I started compiling all the plastic at home.
Yeah.
And ang dami. Ang dami talaga.
Marami.
Yes.
At least sana magamit ulit in another way. Hindi natin matapon dito sa ocean.
And then can you invite your followers to volunteer with us?
Yeah, of course. Sana po supportahan din natin lahat, and we can all do something, no matter how small, to save this place that we live in.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. And this is from more dirty hands.
I'll see you soon. Thank you.
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye. Okay guys, we just ended up the cleanup program. They're still there doing the Body Shop gift raffle. Thanks to Body Shop for being environmental and sponsoring this cleanup activity. Thanks again to my friends Nat, Joe, Yas, Butch, Kev, James, and Inessa for coming. Vito, we missed you. Hope to see you in the next round. And then, yeah, I don't know what exactly I'm going to be able to cut with this video because I was busy filming with the GMA7 crew, hoping the video that they release will really help create an impact and help us with this coastal cleanup program. Anyway, if you guys want to know more questions again, please comment down below, send me a message, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.